Hi, in this video we will talk about how to install Play Store on Android TV. So this is what your Play Store typically looks like. It's also called Google Play and you should be able to have it already onto your actual TV only if it's an Android. So it's actually different if your TV is just a smart TV because there are also other brands of smart TV like for example LG has LG WebOS that is actually not an Android. So you need to make sure that your TV is an Android TV in order to have your Google Play already installed. So in here we have in here an article on how to install the apps on your Google TV or Android TV. So in order to do that, just head over and choose in here your type. So for example, if you're having an Android TV, you can just click onto the search icon right here. And then from in there, you can either use your voice search or just type in here the name of the application that you would want to install. Now, just search in here for that and then click on the install app or button right there after you have actually searched for the application. So do take note that Google Play must be already installed onto your actual Android TV if it's actually an Android TV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.